Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns, and I also do crochet hauls and chit chats. And today I wanted to bring to you this huge haul. Actually, what I'm going to show you today is what I received in 2 different orders, so I'm very excited. I've been ordering yarn for the autumn-winter season and I'm very excited. So to begin with, I ordered this yarn, which is Stylecraft, special Aran. And I ordered four balls of yarn in this cream colour, which I love. It's called Cream, and this is a medium 4 yarn, and it's so versatile. I often use this as a standalone yarn or as a border, and I just love it. And I did purchase a blue yarn also, and a pink shade, just because I was thinking of maybe making a hat for this coming season. So I was thinking of different shades of colour. I also bought this yarn, so I'd never seen this yarn before. It's called Aran Colorama Halo. And it's really lovely. It's absolutely stunning. So this was the first time I'd seen this yarn. I saw it online. This is colour Rose Garden, and it's a bulky 5 yarn, and it's 71% acrylic, 18% nylon, and 11% polyester. And it comes in 227 gram skein of yarn, and that's the equivalent of 481 yards. Honestly, it's so beautiful. I am thinking of I love the colour. It's so fluffy. It's amazing. I love it. It reminds me of Aran latte cakes, which I absolutely adore, and I would love it if I could find Aran latte cakes in solid colours or a similar yarn in solid colours. So if you know of any, let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And let me know if you've ever seen this yarn. I mean, I saw it online and I ordered one skein, and then I loved it so much when it arrived that I actually ordered a second one online, just because I'm thinking of making a beautiful hooded shawl with this. Let me know if this is something you would like, but I'm very excited about this yarn and I had never seen it. I'm just hoping that this isn't a yarn that's just seasonal, if that makes sense. I love Aran cakes. I absolutely do. But I get so disappointed when they release a new yarn cake and then they discontinue it after a few months, like Aran Angel Cakes, which is one of my favourite Aran yarns ever, and I was heartbroken when I found out that they weren't really doing it. Or anyways, so I'm completely going off track here, but let me know if you've ever used this. But I'm very excited to use this, and hopefully this yarn is going to be a permanent staple with Aran. I also bought this yarn. So this is James C. Brett Marble Chunky Yarn, a 200 gram ball. I have very often used this yarn. If you've been following me, I think that you can buy it in America and Canada. It is obviously a British yarn, so it's very popular here in the UK and England. However, I'm pretty sure it's very easy to purchase in America. I love this. It's so perfect for men projects. I love this yarn. It's so pretty. And this is shade MC6, and I've already got a skein of this, so I'm thinking I'm going to make a man scarf with this and also maybe a hat to match. So again, let me know in the comments if you would like to see that on my channel. I'm very excited about this yarn. I just love it. And yes, so this is a chunky yarn and it comes in 341 yards skein, in one skein, sorry. And it's a huge ball of yarn because it's 200 grams. So I'll let you know what I make with this. I also ordered one of my favorite chunky yarns, which is this one, which is Scheepjes. I think that's how this is pronounced. Chunky Monkey, and it's anti-pilling. I think that would be how you pronounce this word. This is a chunky yarn, and this is color blush. I did use this yarn very recently for my boho granny square bag that I've just released yesterday actually. And so I've ordered more yarn, so like this, because I just love it. So I ordered 2 skeins in this shade, 1 skein in this more like cerise, it's called, shade. This beautiful light blue one, which is called baby blue. This is just stunning. And 2 more of these, which is deep fuchsia, one of my favorites. Once again, I have used this yarn before. And 2 skeins of this, which is color rose. And this isn't very expensive. I don't think it's very expensive for the quality. I think each skein of yarn cost me just over £3, which I thought was really good because it's so soft. So this is, I think, let me check, 100% premium acrylic. And I can totally agree that this is premium acrylic. It's so soft, it's so beautiful. I love it. And it comes in 100 grams, which is 116 meters. It's really beautiful, and yes, I love it. So I'm thinking I am making at the moment a granny square jumper with these colors, which is why I needed extra skeins, but I'm thinking of making a hat with these 3 different shades of pink because I just think that they look so pretty. I'm also thinking of making a hat with these 3 shades also. So let me know in the comments what you would like to see. I have so many different ideas for this coming autumn and winter. Here in the UK, from today actually, it started to be very autumnal weather. It's very grey. The sky is heavy. I think it's probably going to rain very soon. So very British weather. And I'm actually quite excited about this. I can't wait to snuggle up with some yarn and to crochet some fall and winter projects. So this is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have any yarn that you would like me to use for this coming autumn and winter. I love to know which are your favorite yarns. And yes, I also wanted to show you this project. So I just finished it yesterday, and this is just like off the top of my head. I crocheted this for my little boy. He actually chose the colors and the pom-pom, and he loves it. And he's very excited about this new hat. So my little boy is 5 years old, and he loves wearing my crochet little crochet things that I make him. He's really good at wearing the things that I make, and he's especially fond of beanies. He loves street dancing, so he always takes a little beanie that I've made him, puts it on his head and starts dancing, so he's very cute. So yes, so that's my the latest crochet project that I made, and I just did it off the top of my head. So let me know if you would like me to release a crochet tutorial on this hat, and maybe like a man size and maybe a little boy size, or even like an adult size, which could be made for women or men, and a younger size, like a child size. So let me know if you would be interested in that type of tutorial, and I'll make that. So yes, so this is my little catch up. I hope you are all well. Let me know in the comments which yarns you are looking forward to me using, and also if you have any ideas of projects I could make with these yarns, I would love to hear your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.